Today another video is brought to you by Everyday Tech for Today. Before we start, please make sure to hit the subscribe button and the bell next to it so we get notified every single time we post a new video. Also, if you enjoyed this video, please smash that like button. It will encourage us to make more videos for you. Today's topic is about the Apple Mac Mini. We're gonna explore it as always and see what it's good for. So let's get started, shall we? New got more glory. The Apple M1 chip takes Apple's most versatile do-it-all desktop into another dimension. With up to 3 times faster CPU performance, 6 times faster graphics, and Apple's most advanced neural engine for up to 15 times faster machine learning, we can get ready to work, play, create on a Mac Mini with the speed and the power behind anything you've ever have imagined. It is supercharged by Apple M1 chip. M1 has a small chip giant leap. It's here, the Apple's first chip designed specifically for Mac, packed with an astonishing 16 billion transistor. The Apple M1 system on a chip, SoC, integrates the CPU and GPU neural engine, I/O, and so much more onto a single tiny chip. With incredible performance, custom technologies, and industry-leading power efficiency. M1 is not a next step for Mac. It's another level entirely. So it's a really completely different things that are is really good and has really changed how things work and make it much more better. And the 8-core CPU max power mini footprint. M1 packs astonishing speed and power into the Mac Mini. The 8-core CPU delivers up to 3 times faster processing performance than the previous generations, all while keeping its iconic 7.7-inch square design. So it's only 7.7 inches in a square design, but it makes everything 3 times faster in performance. So than the previous. The previous was pretty good, but now it's even 3 times faster than that, keeping the really good and the small size of it. You will love this product. The GPU. It has an incredible chipping and an unbelievable graphic. The 8-core GPU in M1 chip is the most advanced graphic processor Apple has built to date, full stop. And it brings extremely fast integrated graphics to Mac Mini, with gigantic 6 times increase in the graphics performance. That's an insane amount of power, all in an incredibly compact enclosure. So the 8-core GPU, up to 6 times faster graphics performance, so it's perfect for gaming and playing games, also videos, so it's kind of just goes with the flow. The machine learning. It has a 16-core neural engine. It's the brains of the operation. Machine learning ML brings task smashing speed and automation to video analysis, voice recognition, image processing, and more. And the M1 chip brings a 16-core neural engine and a full stack of ML technologies, transforming Mac Mini into an ML powerhouse. It has a 16-core neural engine and up to 15 times faster ML performance. macOS Big Sur. The power of macOS Big Sur on M1. Developed to unlock the potential of the M1 chip, macOS Big Sur transformed Mac with major performance benefits, and so much more. Powerful updates for apps, a beautiful new design, industrial-leading privacy features, and best-in-class security. It's Apple's most powerful software ever, running on Apple's most advanced hardware yet. Speed and responsiveness. The M1 chip and the macOS Big Sur work together to make the entire system snappier. Mac Mini wakes almost instantly from sleep. Every day, things like flipping through photos and browsing Safari are faster, and your hardest working apps all have access to the power they need. That means more power wakes faster. Biggest collection of the apps ever. It runs powerful apps built for M1. All your existing apps work thanks to the Rosetta 2. And for the first time, you can use your favorite iPhone and iPad apps directly on macOS Big Sur, although you'll have access to the biggest collection of apps ever for Mac. Now the compact design. The integration of technologies on the M1 chip allows Mac Mini to blow away computers many times in size, taking on intensive tasks while consuming up to 60% less energy than the previous generation. So it is towering the performance minus the tower. It has an unified memory, so one RAM to rule them all. The M1 chip brings up to 16 GB of a super-fast unified memory. The single pool of high bandwidth, low latency memory allows apps to share data between the CPU, GPU, and neural engine efficiently. And so everything you do is fast and also really fluid. The SSD storage. Mac Mini comes with an all-flash storage, up to a whopping 2 GB SSD for all your photos, videos, libraries, files, and apps, and with a speed up to 3.4 GB. Apps and files launch and load in an instant, basically without you even having to wait. The M1 chip and the macOS Big Sur give Mac Mini advanced security and privacy features beyond anything in its class, helping to keep your system and your data protected. So it's one of the most secure ways. Versatility. Fits it, rocks out. With its compact size, incredible performance, wide array of ports, Mac Mini is perfect for surprising range of uses like gaming and digital art creation. And then with the powerful M1 chip unleashed within its 7.7-inch square frame, you'll never know where you'll find the Mac Mini hard to work. From home offices to music studios and a lot more. It has connections and expansions. You can connect and conquer. With the two screaming fast Thunderbolt, USB 4 ports, two USB-A ports, HDMI 2.0 and a Wi-Fi 6, a Gigabit Ethernet, Mac Mini is up for everything and anything. So anything you want, you can do with it basically. Talking about the Thunderbolt USB 4, it transfers data at to 40 gigabytes per second. Charge and power external devices, connect one external display up to 6K and a second with HDMI 2.0 up to 4K. Now the Wi-Fi 6 is another first for Mac Mini. Wi-Fi 6 delivers better all-around performance and up to 1.2 gigabytes of throughput for lightning fast file transfers or backing up time machine. Talk about the technical details that we talked about a lot today. Just kind of talk about the height, width, depth, and weight. So the height of it is 1.4 inch, width 7.7, depth 7.7. The weight of it is 2.6 pounds, which is really good for this kind of devices. It's not really big and it's really easy to carry. And the release date was really early. It was just 11/10/2020, so it just got released basically. And then we talked about all the dimensions and everything and the capacity of the 256 gigabytes. And it's from the Apple computer. It needs a 1 lithium ion battery, but it's included in the package that you will receive. Before we go, please make sure to check out this Amazon link. We will leave it in the description box below. And make sure to go and check it out. It's Christmas, guys. If you haven't bought a gift already, these are really good gifts to buy for someone. So make sure to go and check them out. The resources we use was www.apple.com. We give them credit for their amazing work and their amazing products and for the information they provided us. Thank you so much for listening to us today. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to smash the like button. If you haven't subscribed already, click that subscribe button. And also, if you have any ideas or things to tell us, please make sure to comment down below. We will read them all. And we'll see you next time. Bye!